The 4x4 is probably the most used footprint for small groups in Rust, so I had to give it the perfect expansion. If you want to see more bases like this, subscribe and also comment what base I should build next. Alright, starting with the base 2 of the Emperor, we have 2 disconnectable TCs on each side. You can disconnect them like that. And 2 more TCs which are not disconnectable. But for that you have some respawns here and also some peaks to catch raiders off guard. Then here we have our front entrance, which is also airlocked. And coming through here we have some peaks into our compound. And also more battery spawns. Here is our furnace wall, which is also protected by 2 turrets on every side. And coming through here is our little widegapped shell with some breach peaks. Here's another respawn area with some more peaks into the compound and also a battery behind it. Also, this base is symmetrical on 2 sides, so you have 2 batteries in your compound. Then coming through here is our mobility chute, which leads up to every floor. And coming through here is our shell with the 2x2 inside. And this is our second floor. This is our third floor. You can design them however you like, but I just did it like that. Here's our inner peaks. And we also have some more battery spawns here, or box space, or whatever you need. You can also throw some nades down here. And coming in here is our early game shooting floor. You have some basic wide gaps and some peaks outside. This is also on every of the 4 sides. Then again, going into our mobility chute, we also have this early game shooting floor here. And also peaks into our inner peaks. Then coming up here is our open core. It's just a basic 4x4 open core, which is also honeycombed on every side. And yeah, it's pretty basic. We have some battery spawns here. You can put also loot storage or whatever you like in there. Yeah, we have some more batteries, but I wouldn't recommend to use them for your turrets. Then coming up here, we have another locker. And here's our entrance to our respawn area. It's pretty basic. You can also fit much more deployables in here. And you have some peaks into your open core. Then going through here, we have our shooting floor. It's just a simple widegapped shooting floor with some peaks, and also roof retakes. And yeah, here I have some freehands with battery spawns. And then we also have on every of the 4 sides, we have a ladder hitch right here, which you can use as a quick drop down, where we will take no fall damage, just like that. We have lockers here, and on the other side we have our entrance to our mobility chute. Then going up here we have peaks onto our roof. And here's our entrance to our roof. We have space for 4 SAM sites, 4 turrets. And yeah, also enough space for any scrap helis or minicopters. And yeah, that's the base, and if you wanna see how I build it, watch further. In this base tutorial I will be only using metal as a building material, but make sure to upgrade important walls to HQM and stuff like door frames to stone. Also, I will not put down any deployables like boxes and many others, because it's just time wasting. At this point I will be turning on symmetry, so just repeat the same steps on 2 sides. For the freehands you have to place your crosshair right in the center of those low walls as shown in the video. And also get it even more perfect by checking with a hammer. After that, remove the low walls and take a tiny step back and then place the foundation. If you can place a wall frame right in the middle, then you did it right. If not, just try it again. To connect the freehands with your main base, just place a wall frame here and repeat the same steps on all 4 sides. For the wide gaps now, make sure to build them off the breach peaks in your base. For these roofs I would recommend to keep them as stone, as they have a much larger texture and give a tighter peak. If you don't have a building skin, make sure to place these triangles before the roofs. If you want early game wind turbines, you can put them up just as shown in the video on all 4 TCs. If you don't have large furnaces yet, you can also put the furnace wall later up. If you want to put up your compound before the furnaces, make sure to leave them enough space, or your furnaces won't fit. If you have a building skin, you can use them to put them on these roofs, as they give you a much wider angle. This is the base, and if you have any more questions, you can ask me in my Discord, which is linked down below.